Hello and welcome. So I posted my Friday freebie and didn't post the make, and I guess I was wrong. You guys like to see the makes, so I won't pay attention to what YouTube says, and I'll keep doing the makes. I really appreciate everyone who commented and said, hey, wait a minute, why aren't you doing the makes? I guess I was pouting and I apologize. I won't pout anymore. I'll be a big girl, and I'll keep continuing to do the makes. So anyway, thank you so much for letting me know that you enjoy it. And they're like, wait a minute, why of all the ones are you not making, is it this one? I know, this one actually has a little bit of something to do to put it together. I'm trying to find I should have done this off camera. There it is. I was trying to find my doober, what's this called? It's one for the Cricut, but it's I can't think of the word. All right, so I printed it on cardstock this time. This is what the Friday freebie looks like when your printer still has ink. I've been printing a bunch and I need to order new ink already. Yikes. So it looks a lot more vibrant when you actually have ink in your printer. And this was kind of how I made it before, but I wanted to print it on this cardstock, so it'll be a little more structurally sound. And with the one I made off camera, I didn't use the scoring. There it is, the score tool. That's not the name of it. But I thought if I'm going to show you, I might as well. And I really wish I had the Martha Stewart scoreboard, but I don't. I have this. So I'm going to just score along the dotted lines like this. And someone else mentioned that they would love or like a kit with all of the colors like this. And I do have backgrounds to match the kit coming out. And I feel like once those are done and up, which is soon, the next day or so, excuse me, that people might want to move on from rainbows. I do love that idea. Wouldn't these be fun in every color? So if there's interest, I will still like to do it. But if people are like, okay, Cara, I've spent a lot of money on rainbows, let me use what I have, I totally get that too. Because I can do either move on or make the little envelopes. So I'm just scoring as I talk, going around, scoring all the dotted lines. I think this will make folding easier. Excuse me, sorry. The husband did the blowing of the leaves outside, and I think the dust is still lingering. The other thing you could do is this way, if you don't have the score, and use your ruler and then bend it. All right. So I think they're ready. And then on here, there's little, dotted lines, and this is to cut. So I'm going to cut here. Oh, I didn't do it perfectly. Oh, well. And here. And that just makes it easier when you fold it. And I'm going to do the same thing on this little, kind of like you're making a fishtail. We are on this piece right here. Okay, and then you just have to fold. So I'm going to fold this in, and I'm going to fold this in, and then the next one I'm going to fold back out and then down, and then you have your little gusset. So you fold down, and then you fold towards you, and then you fold the next one away from you. And then you have your two little gussets. And then I'm going to fold this one up and then back. Actually, this is going to be your lid. So this one actually you might want to do reversed so that this one has the valley and then these go like this. I don't know if I explained that very well. But if you see, now it has the valley instead of a mountain, because that will be the part that goes over. All right, and then we're gonna do this one. Fold it back. Woo! I might not have scored that one so well. Oh my gosh. And then, up. Like that. And then, excuse me, my goodness, I use double-sided tape. You could use your tape runner, you could use glue. I'm gonna grab my double-sided tape. And then I'm just gonna put some tape here. And here. There we go. And then I'm just gonna fold that up. Ta-da! And now you have your little envelope. See what I mean when this folds over? You probably don't want, now see it's kind of popping up, but you probably want it to go down. Or I wouldn't necessarily even fold that one. I would just leave it so that it folds over. Okay, so then you have your goodies on your page. The last one I thought it was kind of fun to put ephemera on the front. Let's do something a little different. I have some ribbon and different bits in here. What if we use this? Maybe this one, we'll see. Thinking maybe a bow, but I'm the worst at the bow. So it'd be cute to put a gift card into, or yeah, like a little card or a gift card. Send it in Happy Mail. See, my bows are not, my mother-in-law has the best bows I have ever seen. I mean, she puts mine, I don't even try at Christmas. She just knows that I'll just put one of those already made bows because I can't even go to the game that she's playing. It's so good. All right. Maybe this isn't working for me. Know when to say when. Maybe we'll try on this one. It's like so close, but not. But it's not going the way I want minutes ago. Oy. Maybe I just do some tape on the top. Let's just do that. If we can't, make a bow. I need one of those made already bows. We'll just add some of this to the top. And if you haven't yet, you really should participate in the weekly freebie, because that's a good way to get 50% off a kit. And it's good for whenever. You don't have like a time that you have to use the coupon. And recently there's been about 8 or 10 participants, so that's a pretty good chance if you participate that you could be winner kitchen dinner. All right, I think I'm going to do the bottom part too. Oh, sorry. Someone came in the house and the dogs are protecting us. I'm just going to fold this over. I'll probably need a little bit right here. Like that. A bow would be really cute. Darn it all. All right. Let's see. I kind of want something else on the front. I want some of this. Yes. I don't know if the... Here's my open one. I'm gonna say I don't know if the double stick tape will keep this on, so let's use some Fabri-Tac. There we go. I'll just trim this off. And trim this off. Piece of Velcro would be cute. That you can Velcro it. That'd be kind of fun. What do I want? I'll use this tag. I think I'll use the little one in here. Oh man, I don't know if I can. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Get my favorite stamps. I don't think I've ever used the stamp. I think I'm just going to use the word special. It's a little big. My stuff is crashing. I'm only going to ink up the word special. See how this looks. Yeah. Cute. It's a little big, but I'm okay with that. Oh, there it is. Like, where's my glue? I was looking to see if I had Velcro in my desk, because sometimes I do, but I do not. I would really like that. It'd be cute. Okay. Do I want something here? Or do I just want to leave it? I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm good for now. And then once I put it in the journal or whatever, I might add something. But there is the little gusseted envelope. And I will continue to do the makes with the Friday Freebie. So thank you. Thanks for letting me know. It was really nice to hear. And hopefully you've printed this, and I hope you make some fun things to go in it and go with your rainbow journals. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.